Call 1-800-215-8643. 1-800-215-8643.
Where's your bums? Give me a kiss. Raspberries. I'm gonna give you raspberries.
To the Weather Channel as we are tracking this devastating tornado that tore through Moore, Oklahoma. Again, a town that has seen 3 major tornadoes in the past 14 years. I want to show you a live look
You have to get up.
From the scene, and it's something to see here. First off,
You have to get up.
all the emergency responders. It's getting dark. That's the only light you see.
Yeah.
Are from the rescue efforts and any cars that happen to be out there right now. So power's out in part because in some cases there is no electrical infrastructure.
The grid has been wiped away.
Right.
Angel Bird.
Yeah, exactly right. And they've asked the emergency responders have asked people not
What are you doing?
get out on the roads. I'm sure a lot of people have
I
heeded
know.
that already, but not come out.